And yesterday, we were all sitting there, we'd lit fires over there. People had lit fires over there because it was very cold. It's a December, it's a 9th and 10th of December night, and it's very cold over here. It's single-digit temperatures. So they were lit a few fires. People were distributing food. There were children, many women, or every generation, young children, older men, and then they brought a water cannon. Now, it's really cold. And this is the first time, we've experienced tear gas a lot of times, but this is the first time we experienced a water cannon. And what we realized, it is not about getting cold, like getting wet and freezing in the cold. It is the power of that cannon. People were flying into the stones on the road. My sisters fell. My sister, both my sisters were injured. They both had sort of injuries to their hands. And one of the members of parliament, his name is Shahid Khattak, when he was struggling in that water to sort of help my sisters, he fell somewhere and he's fractured his leg.